Often, we have goals and inspirations for our lives, but we do not know where to start or how to stay motivated. So here are the 5 practical ways to help you get motivated and achieve our goals in 2025. Yes, 2025, because this is the last month of the year 2024. So most probably most of us have achieved the plans or the goals that we have set for 2024. So when you are making plans for 2025, so here this will help you out. If you're planning to make 25 a great year for you, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Ivy Ateno, and today we are going to look at the 5 lifestyle approaches to boost your motivation. Number 1, have consistent routines. Stick to a regular daily schedule. Set fixed time for waking up, meals, working hours, and breaks to establish structure and enhance productivity. Consistency enables comfort, aiding focus and momentum towards your goals. Number 2, have a growth mindset. Adopt a growth mindset to fuel your productivity. See challenges as opportunities, then treat setbacks as lessons rather than failures, contributing to your development. Celebrate progress and efforts as pathway to growth, fostering positivity and resilience. Number 3, self-care priority. Prioritize self-care with exercise, sleep, and nutrition to maintain physical and mental well-being. Exercise reduces stress and boosts energy, while adequate rest and nutrition enhance focus and productivity. Renew yourself through self-care, approaching tasks with renewed focus and enthusiasm. Number 4, goal setting. Define small goals for clear direction and motivation towards success. Break down large goals into manageable steps, facilitating progress while sustaining motivation. Then use the smaller goals as progress makers, tracking achievement and celebrating milestones. Then number 5 and the last one, supportive environment. Surround yourself with positivity, mentor, and like-minded individuals to boost motivation. A supportive network offers encouragement, feedback, and accountability, fostering community and purpose. Engage with peers sharing similar goals for valuable insights, inspiration, fueling confidence, and determination. Well, I know there are numerous ways to enhance your motivation. However, these 5 will serve as an excellent starting point. So, don't delay, begin today.